A journey can lead us down many roads, and mine has traced the contours of the auto glass industry. It began in the trenches as a windshield repair technician. Each crack, a new challenge. Each repair, a testament to skill and precision. But the road did not stop there. It led me to windshield replacement, where I found myself managing a team of over 20 technicians and 10 call center representatives. However, as the days passed, I found that my true passion didn't lie in managing employees, but in generating business. It was a difficult realization, one that led to even harder decisions. I had to reshape my business, transition from a service provider to a lead generation company for auto glass shops. This meant redirecting call traffic to industry contacts, negotiating the value of each new customer lead. It was a challenging transformation, but one that marked a new chapter in my career. Fast forward to today, the year 2023. The company I built, LeadLink Media, stands tall in the auto glass industry. With a network of over 10,000 websites, we have become an integral part of the industry. We've played a vital role in generating over $1 billion in revenue for auto glass shops across the nation. What's the secret behind this success? It's a blend of strong industry relationships, adaptability, commitment to quality service, and employee development. Our dedication to delivering high-quality leads, our ability to adapt to industry changes, and our unwavering commitment to excellence have been the cornerstones of our success. So, as I look back on my journey through the auto glass industry, I see a path defined by relentless commitment to growth, innovation, and excellence. From my humble beginnings as a technician to the establishment of LeadLink Media, I have seen the industry evolve, and I am proud to play a part in its continued success. As we look to the future, my dedication to the auto glass industry remains unwavering. I'm excited to see what new opportunities and challenges lie ahead, and I am ready to meet them head-on.